In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why Deepseek AI is making waves and how to make the best of it so you can work smarter, faster, and way more efficiently than anyone relying on ChatGPT. Did you know there's a way to outsmart every single ChatGPT user out there? Yep, you heard that right. And no, it's not about being a tech genius or spending hours learning complicated tools. It's about using Deepseek, the ultimate AI-powered platform that's about to change the way you work, learn, and create. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. If this is your first time watching our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. Stay with me till the end for a bonus tip that will blow your mind. Now, let's dive in. First things first. What is Deepseek? Think of it as your all-in-one AI assistant, but with superpowers. While ChatGPT is great for casual conversations and quick answers, Deepseek is designed for serious productivity. Here's what makes it stand out. It's a research powerhouse, helping you find reliable sources and summarize complex information in seconds. It's a content creation wizard, generating ideas, writing drafts, and even editing your work. And it's a productivity booster, automating tasks and organizing your workflow like a pro. The Deepseek R1 model uses the chain of thought prompting approach, which encourages the A1 model to break down reasoning into clear, easy-to-follow steps. While this isn't a new concept, Deepseek's R1 does it exceptionally well. It splits the output into different parts. The first part is the problem to solve, and the second part is the prompt you added to demonstrate the chain of thought approach. Specifically, it asks the model to solve the problem step by step, explain its reasoning, and show its calculations. So whether you're a student, a content creator, or a professional, Deepseek is the tool that'll give you the edge over everyone else. Here's how you can set up Deepseek in just a few minutes. Head over to chat.deepseek.com and sign up for an account. It's a breeze and requires just your email or phone number. I suggest logging in directly through a Google account because, as I found out, with other email accounts, you'll probably wait forever for a verification code due to the avalanche of users flooding to Deepseek. You can also download the iOS or Android app from your App Store and dive right in. Once you're inside, take a quick tour of the dashboard. The interface is minimalistic. The Deepseek R1 is great for solving reasoning problems, while the search tool helps you find web results more efficiently than Google. More on that later. Just ensure you toggle on the Deepseek R1 model here. This is an advanced reasoning AI model similar to ChatGPT's 01 model, but you are not limited to 01's 50 messages per week. Also, Deepseek is able to perform deep internet searches. So be sure to toggle on this button right here simultaneously. Spend just 5 minutes exploring these tools. It's super intuitive, and you'll feel like a pro in no time. Now, let's get into the good stuff, how to make the absolute best of Deepseek. Here are my top tips. First is to use Deepseek AI for generating content. Need a blog post, video script, or even an email? Deepseek can generate it for you. But remember to always tweak the output to match your tone and style. It's not just about copying and pasting, it's about making it yours. Then again, instead of settling for generic responses, fine-tune your prompts. For example, if you're writing a report, write in a professional tone to get more polished results. Deepseek works seamlessly with apps like Notion, Google Docs, and task managers. You can set up integrations to streamline your workflow and save even more time. Finally, the Deepseek search function is next level. Use specific keywords and filters to get precise results. For example, if you're researching climate change, try adding filters like recent studies or statistics in your query to narrow it down. Watch out for my deep tutorial on how to use the Deepseek search function like a pro. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's continue with how to use Deepseek AI. Let's talk about how Deepseek can work for you in real life. For students, Imagine having a tool that can summarize your textbook chapters, help you write essays, and even prep you for exams. That's Deepseek in action. To summarize your text, you can upload it using the File Upload button and then prompt it with what you want. For content creators, Deepseek can generate video ideas, scripts, and even captions for your social media posts. It's like having a creative partner on demand. Just prompt it as you wish in simple plain language and see the magic. For professionals, from drafting reports to analyzing data, Deepseek can handle it all. Plus, it's perfect for creating polished presentations in record time. The power is all in your ability to ask for what you want. Before you go all in on Deepseek, here are a few mistakes to avoid. Always double-check AI information and refine the content to make it your own. Don't over-rely on AI outputs. Deepseek has so much to offer, don't just stick to the basics without exploring all of its features. Remember, new features are constantly being added, so stay in the loop to get the most out of the platform. One last thing, here's a bonus tip to blow your mind. Deepseek has a reinforcement learning mode that adapts to your style over time. The more you use it, the better it gets at predicting your needs. Imagine you're using a search app to find the best answer to a question. At first, you might click on random results, some of which are helpful while others are not. Over time, you start recognizing patterns. Certain sources consistently provide clear and useful information. You begin prioritizing these while avoiding unreliable ones. Similarly, in reinforcement learning, an agent explores different actions, receives feedback, rewards or penalties, and gradually learns which choices lead to the best outcomes. The more it interacts, the better it gets at making decisions, just like you refining your search habits to find the best answers efficiently. So start using it today and watch it become your ultimate productivity partner. To explore more AI-related video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.